Good morning, students. I hope you all guys are fine, safe, and sound. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic that is called dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment that filters and purifies the blood using a machine. This helps keep your fluids and electrolytes in balance when the kidneys can't do their job. It is a procedure to remove waste products and excess fluid from the blood when the kidney stops working properly. Actually, it could be permanent failure or it could be temporary failure. There are two types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. In this chapter or in this topic, we only discuss about hemodialysis. Hemodialysis can be done in a hospital, in a dialysis center that is not part of a hospital or not at home. Okay. You and your doctor will decide which place is best based on your medical condition and your wishes. If you are too sick to go to hospital to attend there, you may take this process at your own home by appointing a nurse, a professional nurse, and calling a doctor. You need dialysis when you develop and stage kidney failure. Usually by the time you lose about 85 to 90% of your kidney function. When your kidneys fail, dialysis keeps your body in balance by removing waste, salt, and extra water to prevent them from building up in the body, keeping a safe level of certain chemicals in your blood such as potassium, sodium, and bicarbonate, helping to control blood pressure. So here is the process of dialysis, and as I said, in this chapter or in this topic we will only discuss about hemodialysis. We are not going to discuss about peritoneal dialysis here. So you can see the process in a diagram that has been pinned in the screen. During hemodialysis, two needles are inserted into your arm through the access site and tapped in place to remain secure. Each needle is attached to a flexible plastic tube, or you may call it catheter, that connects to a dialyzer. Through one tube, the dialyzer filters your blood a few ounces at a time, allowing wastes and extra fluids to pass from your blood into a cleansing fluid called dialysate. Some question may arise in your mind that what is dialysate? What is the component of dialysate? The components of dialysates are a fixed temperature, a balanced temperature actually, a balanced ionic equilibrium, specially for sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, chlorine, some extra nutrition like glucose. These are the components of dialysate. The filtered blood returns to your body through the second tube, and the extra wastage that comes out of your blood, that also stores in another tube, or you may call it another pot. When hemodialysis is completed, the needles are removed from your access site and a pressure dressing is applied to prevent bleeding. So that's the process we do hemodialysis, or that's the process of dialysis. Now you know, if someone is suffering by kidney failure, it could be permanent, it could be temporary, he or she could try this dialysis process, and this is how dialysis process is going to be done. I hope you have realized the whole process, and if anything is there, if anything, any question that arises in your mind, you may ask. You are encouraged to ask. So guys, that's it for today. Try to stay safe, and if you want to go outside, please wear a mask definitely. Thank you all. Bye.